Surah Abdurrahman Sahib's question is based on this verse number 36 of Surah An-Nahl, which is chapter number 16. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wa qala allazina ashraku law sha'a Allahu ma abadna min dunihi min shay'in nahnu wala abauna wala harramna min dunihi min shay'in kazalika fa'ala allazina min qablihim fahal ala rusuli illa al-balagul mubin. Translation is, those who set up equals to God say, if Allah had so willed, we should not have worshipped anything beside Him, neither we nor our fathers, nor should we have forbidden anything without command from Him. So did those who were before them. But are the messengers responsible for anything except the plain delivery of the message?
Is about this statement, وَلَوْ شَاءَ اللَّهُ مَا عَبَدْنَا مِن دُونِهِ مِن شَيْءٍ. Why this argument is not acceptable?
Puri says that he particularly wants to find out the meaning لَوْ شَاءَ اللَّهُ مَا عَبَدْنَا مِن دُونِهِ مِن شَيْءٍ. Why this argument has not been accepted?
Because evidently Allah does not force His will upon people. And if Allah had forced His will upon the people, and all people would be alike, there is no question of punishment and reward in this world in that case. So they don't understand this phenomenon and think we are doing it because Allah wants it. Why should Allah want other partners before Him to be called for by the mushrikeen? It's not possible. It is an absurd argument which is presented by them, and evidently it should be rejected by any sane man.